Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about Google Smart Ads. This is for small businesses. Google Smart Ads will work with your Google business profile. So, the GMB profile which you're running for your small businesses, and you can generate leads like calls, messages, platforms, or website visits. So, this helps for small hospitals in the local region. For example, I'm staying in Hyderabad, and if I have a coaching center, I can run my ads around the like 20 miles or 30 miles. We can expand, but this is more targeted for your gym profile. I'll just showcase few ads. Then let's select it dental hospital. Here there are no ads running. These are also smart ads we can consider as, but here also we can get the smart ads in the GMB. So let's get started with the new campaign. I hope you all are subscribed to my channel. New campaign, then create campaign without a goal or guidance. We if we select this, we can. If you are an expert, you can select with this, or if you select these options, Google recommends something else. For example, if I select only local store, it suggests Performance Max. If you select brand awareness, it only shows these campaign types. But if you select create a campaign without a goal, it shows all the options you can select. Okay, this is a smart campaign we are going to run now. Give the business name. I'll give the business name or chain name here. Then your website. I already have my website copied, and let's see here it will show. Okay, get more calls, website visits or sales or leads. Get new mission. This is not campaign because here you no need to do all the things. It will create automatically. Google will take care of everything. It generated few headlines, but see, as I always told you, try to write your own headlines instead of using the automated headlines from the Google Ads. Try to include keywords and write proper headlines so that your ad will have the proper search results, and people also can understand what your service is offering because you'll write what exactly your business is related to, right? Here your search ad will look like, and we are already given our phone number. This phone number is coming from our website, and that's also business name. Select next. Then you can have some keywords here. See, you are not going to bid for any keywords here. You can select 20 keywords. Then with those 20 keywords, Google will grade digital marketer is there, right? So anything related to digital marketing, if you are targeting the right audience, it will display. This is completely broad match. This is not a exact or price match. This is completely broad match. And I'll select next. It is selected my business location already. Okay. It is targeting around certain kilometers. You can also select few zip codes, cities, etc. If you want to target those cities. Budget. You can just select the budget. Uh, In my previous videos also, if you can check, I always prefer to enter your own budget instead of selecting the Google budget because anyhow you are not going to get the exact numbers which Google is going to give. This is estimated clicks. Okay. So try to give your own budget, but at least maintain the minimum budget which is Google offering. 54 is 54 to 500, which Google is showing based on your uh, website based on your headlines, keyword, and also the area which you want to target. Let's go with 300. Campaign time, phone calls, business name, developers, and your other advice, user and campaign daily use business and this instead of 300, I just selected the 2 minutes. You can just click on the next. Don't they don't give this option. Don't click any automated option, but see, sorry, it is a Analytics which you need to integrate Google Ads with Google Analytics because when you integrate with Analytics, Google will have the proper data where it can suggest to the more related people. For example, you have the more audience from social media from the specific objective, additional marketing objective, and from organic search results also there, and from other campaign, Google campaigns, you're getting some data. Based on that, so it get all the data from your analytics, and based on that, your Google ads will optimize. All your ads will be optimized, and it will try to suggest to the more related people. Understand your purpose. As of now, I don't want to mind with the Google Analytics. I'll also make a video on the Google Analytics. This is an overview of the smart campaign. You can just check your impressions, clicks, calls, and conversions. Okay. This is a very simple. Google smart ads are very simple. So anyone can run these Google smart campaigns. But when you're giving the headlines, keywords, and the budget, and target the exact location, like around 5 kilometers radius would be fine. So don't go beyond 10 kilometers. Don't exceed 10 kilometers. If you exceed 10 kilometers, so start running search campaigns like search and display, other campaign types, performance max, other campaign types. Okay. Don't go with the smart ads if you're going beyond 10 kilometers. Yeah. That's it about today's video on Google display ads. So check the complete playlist about the Google ads. Here I have clearly explained each and every campaign type. So we will also discuss the complete Google Ads overview. So how can we run each ad type? So what is the best way? How can you get more conversions? So in the last video, I'm going to give the overview of the Google Ads and also what's the best uh, way to get uh, good great conversions and how can you get great ROIs. So I'll include everything in the last video. Thanks guys. Thank you so much for your support. Please do subscribe, share, and comment. If you have any doubts regarding the ads, analytics, search console, any website related things, let me know in the comments.